Hello everyone, I am Satyam and in this video we will be talking about the null versus undefined in JavaScript. So guys, null and undefined are two different concepts of JavaScript. Like null is basically empty. That means it doesn't cover any space, but undefined doesn't mean that. Undefined is basically used to tell the users that something is declared but is not initialized yet. Or you can say if you try to add two things, uh, or if you try to calculate something, like you want to calculate the area of a square, then what is the formula for that? That is simply the side square. So if you don't know about the side, then how can you calculate the area of the square? That thing is undefined. But side is not side, you can say, is not null, but it is undefined. Why? Because side, we have declared the side variable, but we haven't used that variable yet. So there are many possibilities for that, and the null and undefined, some JavaScript developers even use these terms interchangeably, but these two are the very different terms. So we have to know what are the main things of null and undefined. So let's see what is the main definition of null and undefined. So guys, null in JavaScript is nothing. It is supposed to be something that doesn't exist. In JavaScript, the data type of null is an object. So you can see that null in JavaScript is nothing. Null means we don't have anything, or we haven't defined anything. That means the space is totally empty. Or null doesn't mean that suppose you have declared a variable a, and you have declared that variable as null. That doesn't mean that the variable a is now containing 0 in it. Null doesn't mean 0. Null means nothing. The space is empty. The space is not even filled by a single 0. So it is supposed to be something that doesn't exist. That's I guess this is clear. That means that it is supposed to be something that doesn't even exist, because null doesn't exist anywhere. Null means nothing. That if we have to do something, then there is no use of null. But null is a very important concept in JavaScript. So null has the data type of an object. If you see, as I told you that all the things in JavaScript are objects. Like array is an object, a string is an object, a number is an object. Everything in JavaScript is an object. So the data type of null is also object. So now let's see what is undefined. In JavaScript, a variable without a value has the value undefined. The type of undefined is also undefined. Suppose you have declared a variable. So what you can do is you have declared a variable, and then you are printing the square of that variable, or suppose you are multiplying that variable with something and then printing out the result with the help of console.log statement. But you haven't declared that variable anywhere, or initialize that variable anywhere. Like you say variable a, and then you say console.log a. Then the a is declared but not initialized. So what you will do in that case is you will get the output as undefined. That is, this variable is not defined, like what kind of value it will take, or whether it's a string or a number or anything else, or an object or an array. So its data type is also not defined at that time. So you have to do you will get the output as undefined. So here is a code snippet. So let's see what I have written here. you will get the full source code in my GitHub profile. So let's see. I have a variable named as test. I have declared that variable and then I just printed that variable. I haven't initialized any value, so the JavaScript compiler doesn't know that whether it's a string or a number or an object or an array or something else or a boolean. So it will simply print give me the value as undefined. That's true. We know that. Now after that I have initialized the test variable with the value of null. Now null means empty. This means that I have declared a variable but I haven't used that variable, and that variable doesn't contain anything. So when after that when I printed that variable, I get the value as null. Now after that I have checked the type of the null and undefined. The type of null is an object, but the type of undefined is also undefined. Undefined means that we haven't defined something. If we haven't defined something, then how can we predict or how can we tell that the data, or how can we tell the data type of that variable? So it's very important to notice that. So after that I have checked that whether null equals to undefined, that is whether null is strictly equal to undefined, then I get the result as false, because null and undefined are two different things. But when I use the simple equals, not the strictly equals sign, that is with the double equals to, then I get the result as true. You can see on the right hand side, I get first false and then true. So why this happens? Now guys, everything in JavaScript is an object. Undefined, the type of undefined is also undefined. When we check for the strictly equals to sign, then we see then we generally check that whether the type of the variable is also the same. If the type of variable doesn't match, then the strictly equal signs gives us the false result. But in the case of double equals to, we get that as true, because it doesn't check for the type, and without the type, null and undefined are almost same. So we both are objects in that case, and both haven't defined any kind of value. So that gives us the value of true. After that I have checked whether null equals to null, I get true. Whether null equals to null, that's also true. After that I have printed the value of not null. Not null is true. Why? Null means false in JavaScript, because if we have placed something, then we get the value as 1, because all we have to play with the binaries of the numbers or binaries of everything. So everything in binary is 0 or 1. If null is a false in binary, null is a 0, so not null is true. And if I want to print the exact value of null, then I have to place the two not operations, not null. The first not null gives us the value of true, and the second not null gives us the value of false. So we get the value as false. After that, when I want to add something to null, 1 plus null is 1, because if we haven't defined anything and we are adding something to that number, then the null is treated as a 0, but the 0 is not actually placed there. So keep that thing in mind. But if I try to add some number or multiply some number with the undefined, I get the value as not a number or nan, because we don't know what kind of data our variable will take, or what kind of what is the data type of that variable. So we can't add something to every data type. Like you can't say that there is an array and then you will add 1 to the array. Now array plus 1 is something else, so you will probably get an error. So this is it for this tutorial, and thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned with Unacademy for more videos. And you can get the full source code of this video and other videos at the following link. Thank you guys.